In the heart of a frowning jungle, a train is trapped by snow, storm, and silence. Families tremble in the cold. A child clutches hope, and a signal fades into the void. But far away, deep in the jungle base, the call is heard. Brave rescuers rise with the morning light, racing through frost and fear. They cross chasms, battle storms, and step into the unknown. A little girl, her dog, an elderly couple. One by one, they are brought to safety until the mountain shakes and danger strikes again. But hope never gives up, and when the sun rises, love and courage shine brightest. Tunnel trouble in the storm, a rescue they'll never forget.